Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And immediately when I click on this, I notice the bounding box is not on the edge. And and it's real little, it's only 1 inch. When he scales it, the R's aren't touching the borders anymore. When they're not touching the R's haven't changed, it's the outline have changed. So we're gonna grab all this and we're gonna group and ungroup it. And then I'm gonna see how big this is. And then, like I said, it's just a 1 inch. So I'm gonna change my nudge factor to 2. And I'm going to nudge this out of the way. And then I'm going to take this black and double click on my pen tool. And I am going to set the bounding box to the outside, which made it smaller, but I'm going to scale it with object. Now let's just put it back. It looks pretty good. Now we can take all 4 of these at one time. And you can see right here, I've got 4 objects selected. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scale with object. And then I'm going to take that center and I'm going to scale with object. And then I'm going to nudge this back. I'm going to put it all together. And if that box is smaller now because of the way it did it, you can always grab that box and then hold down the shift key, grow from the outside and make it a little bit bigger to hide that. Let's group all this together now with Control G. And now let's scale it and make it quite a bit bigger. And you can see no matter how big you make it, the R's are still touching. I mean, now it's 5 inches, 7 inches, and the R's are still touching because of the lines are scaled with object. No matter how big you make it, it works. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit. Thank you for watching.